Let me wash my hands for you quickly. I already did them, and I've been prepping some stuff. I want to show you. I'm going to do some snacking salads, or what I call snacking salads. I did a video, 4 easy salads. I'll link it to this one because it's kind of fun. I did it 4 years ago. It was one of the few firsts I did on YouTube, and I just thought it was a great compilation of salads because at the time I was doing what I'm doing now, watching calories because I got off the cruise ship. I'm way over what I feel comfortable with. And that's all my little belly here. I said I'm going to deliver Cabernet in 3 months. That's what I call her because it's good food, pasta, and red wine that I love. Enough of that. We have a sip of my coffee. And good things come from mistakes. I had a whole recipe and it's on my schedule, and it was classic coleslaw I was going to make for everybody, and I did the video. It came out great. I'm going along, and I tried my glasses. Now if you see me in different glasses, it's not that I'm trying to be a food fashionista. I bought the 3-pack from Home Goods, so here's ones I like. They're a little foggy right now. Let me rinse them, and then let me show you the ones I did in the video. And I'm actually not going to put the video up unless you say you love these. I think I look like a frog. Okay, now it's going on, and these are the glasses. I thought they looked cool in the pack, but I don't like them in the video. So you could comment if you think they're okay and you would have watched, just let me know, because then I may save and rescue that classic coleslaw. Okay, first up, I'm talking a lot because this goes quick. They're not fancy by any means. Let me get the first one going. This is the broccoli slaw from Puro. It's a good brand. I like them. It's already pre-chopped and all of that good stuff. I'm going to add to it some cranberries, dried cranberries, and I'm going to chop them. I forget what I used them in the other recipe video. I think it was the chicken salad. And I didn't like that I didn't chop them because they're dry and they're crunchy, and I think that they'll disperse better with this, and we don't need many. So I'm going to chop them a bit. I already see I feel better now. I like this. Now, excuse me, my morning coffee here, burping on camera. You can use anything you want. You can use dried cherries would be wonderful in this. And I'll give you some other ideas. Just let me get this. I don't have a bowl ready for it, and I want my glass bowl because I like you guys to see the food. Okay. So that's all. Now you could put walnuts. I'm not going to add them. Like I said, I always have them on hand because Vinny has a salad every morning with walnuts and dried cranberries. He's a special K. He's a simple person, and he every day. So we go to Costco, and I have these things in giant bundles. Let me get a bowl. I don't have my clear one. Oh, I do. See, this is what happens when Vinny puts the dishes away. I don't know where my stuff is. Okay. Let's get that in there. I'm going to use the whole package, one bag. Okay, and like I said, it's already cut up for you. So I'm going to just add the cranberries. Okay. Give it some sweetness. Now, dressings. You can go crazy and make your own. You can buy of a variety on the counter. And I'll give you another little tip. Excuse me. I went and I bought the Mozzarella. I like this brand, and this is made for the original slaw. Once I opened it and tasted it, I find it too sweet. So I'm not going to put it in here. It's a brand new full jar. You know I love this one. The lemon vinaigrette by Panera. Just bought a whole full bottle. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use that. I don't want to go crazy. I'm pretty simple, and I want this slaw to last. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're using the lemon vinaigrette. Lemon goes with cranberries, the sweet and the tart. So I'm thinking, I love this dressing. I know I do. I'm going to need a lot more. Okay, now at this point, if you want to embellish, add chopped red onions, add chopped green onions. I have them right here. I'm not a very fancy, spicy, crowd my salad kind of girl. I like it simple. I do. I do. Now I have to get my regular glasses that I claim to love here. Now I probably got water on them. Just dry them. I'm a mess today without Vinny. Look at me all over the place. Whatever. The show goes on. I have to do it with him or without him. And he had a doctor's appointment today. Vinny has always got some sort of appointment. He had to go to the skin therapist or the skin doctor, because we're here in Florida, and it's good to always check your skin with the sun. You know, he's always in the sun. He worships it. Not me. I'm a little bit more respectful because I know what sun damage can do to the skin. So I don't play with that, but he loves it. Okay, let me shake this again more. Back to what I was saying. You could put red onions. You could add anything you like to this. Anything. I'm going to keep it simple because it's going to last in my fridge for a few days and stay crunchy. I know it will. Let me get rid of that. And you just mix this. Nice. Okay. And that's one and done for me. I don't have to do anything else. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit. You guys know I'm conservative. A little bit of salt. And let's use fresh ground pepper for this. Okay. Give a nice balance to those cranberries. I'm learning flavors and palate taste as I go. I'll tell you, I'm exploring so many new recipes myself because of YouTube cooking and all. And it's making me really into it. I love it. And I'm coming up with some stuff in my head. I'm the weirdo that sleeps at night and starts trying to make up recipes. There's not many new ones out there, but even just twisting something to something classic is fun. You know, make it yours. Think out of the box. Alrighty, now we're just going to put it in here in a nice container and chill it up. That's number one and done. They go pretty quick, guys. Just hang in there with me. You won't be sorry. Who doesn't want salad sitting in the fridge ready to go? Like now, today, I'll probably have this for lunch with a piece of grilled chicken or some fried up tenders, and I'll be happy because I'll feel light, really refreshing. It's hot here today. I'm thinking of going to the beach. So I may have that and take that down with me. Let me get the cover on that. Oh, and it was so funny. In the original video, oh, don't let it do it again, please. I had trouble getting the first one covered. And I just went with it. I said, all right, you know, keep going. And it was so early in my filming that I could have naturally got frazzled, but I didn't. I just kept going. And that was the learning lesson for me. Don't be afraid. Don't get scared. Things happen. If you're really cooking and it's a real kitchen, things are going to happen. Nothing's perfect. I'm not perfect. My food's not perfect. Look, I have cranberries, tiny ones stuck in my cutting board, and I'm taking a moment to get rid of them because stuff like that drives me nuts. It just does. I have to have a clean surface. Okay? And the other important thing is to have dry glasses. Showing you, I'm more concerned with showing you my glasses and telling you my story than anything else, but it's a lot of fun. You guys know I like to be natural and keep it real. Okay, salad number two. Again, very simple. I got it prepped on a board here. Mise en place. I like to prepare. Okay, this is the other pack of that mozzarella balls that I bought, and I used them in another recipe. The pasta salad. That's what's laying up there on the video, the pasta salad. And they were buy one, get one. I wound up with a whole extra ball. What am I going to do with it? I happen to love this style of doing these mozzarella balls. Okay. First thing I like to add, I do the parsley. Okay, chopped fresh parsley. And I like a lot of it. I said this in the pasta salad. I add parsley to whatever I could. I was reading something. The super benefits of it, the health benefits of parsley are amazing. Basil as well. Okay. Chopped cherry tomatoes, I quarter them. Little cherry ones, quarter them. Okay. That's simple. Now, this is the thing I like in them, because when you buy this pre-made at the delis, it's very expensive. I get it in New York at a place called North Shore Farms. I'm hoping when I get back that can't wait to get all the goodies. They have lots of wonderful food. Now, I don't know if I should put a little extra juice in here. I think I will. The juice won't hurt it because this tends to dry up very quickly in the fridge. So I'll put one, let's see, two. Don't worry about the water. Let's say three. And these are nice pre-done for you. These are the Lindsay pimento diced peppers. See how convenient? I like convenience. And a little bit of red pepper flake, because this I like a little spice in this. I'm not a spicy person, but in here you'll see if you try it, it goes together. I'm gonna put garlic powder. Where's my garlic powder? Now normally I would use fresh garlic in this, but like I said in the pasta salad, I don't know if it's age or taste buds changing. I don't like raw garlic that much anymore. I love the flavor of it, but I don't like the taste of it when it's raw. It's got a very strong bite. So that's the reasoning for that. Okay. Now I think that's it. That's all she wrote with this for me. And we could good olive oil. Use your very best. I always say that. This is a beautiful cold pressed extra virgin from Greece. So I always look for stuff like this. That's why you see me in Home Goods and looking in their gourmet section. That's where I find all these goodies. A big bottle like this, what did it cost me? $15. This would be over 20 in the markets that specialize in that stuff. Okay, now to decide what vinegar to use. I have a really good balsamic, and I have a white wine vinegar, and I have just regular balsamic. I think I'm going to go with the regular. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to go with my gourmet balsamic regular in this. And it's going to be the delicious, refreshing. This is wonderful. This is a nice side dish for a sandwich, whatever you want to eat with this. Eat it by itself. I eat it by itself sometimes when I'm not looking to have anything big or crazy. And we're just going to toss this up. And I call this the little mozzarella Italian flag. Look at that. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. And toss them, because these little pearls, you see how much they fill up this entire thing? And they come in a little fist. So that's why they have that weird shape. They're stuck together. Now let them breathe and spread out. Something about the smell of vinegar always gets me since I was a kid. I used to drink vinegar. Anybody do that? At the end of the salad when I was little, I used to drink the vinegar and oil. I don't do it anymore. It has to be really good. Like maybe on this one, because the flavors meld in the fridge so long. Look at that. This is a beautiful thing. Very simple. I got the buy one, get one. When I get the BOGOs on all of these items, tomatoes and mozzarella and all these goodies, that's what I do. I make my little salads. There's salad number 2, guys. Okay? These are snacking salads. Something you want to just grab out the fridge, have a little bowl full. It's number 2. Okay. Now, number 3 is silly simple, but I got to share it with you because there's a beautiful, fresh, large cucumber. The English, I believe they call that one. And all I'm going to do, I have a mandolin. I can't find right now. Okay. So I'm going to do this by hand, and I'm going to quarter it this way and then this way. Vinny loves this. This jar, Vinny will eat when he gets home, the whole thing. He'll see like this whole portion full. He will eat the whole jar. Let me just cut them like that. Like I said, you could use a mandolin. You can make them as thin as you want, as thick as you want. This is my cucumber salad. I've seen other people with sauerkraut. I say mine because there's some with sour cream. There's some with mayonnaise base. Everyone does their own thing to cucumbers, and that's wonderful. I, again, don't like too much, and I don't like sour cream on cucumbers. And I don't think I even like mayonnaise. That's not something I would eat on this. Let me get a bowl that they're going to go into. Well, I've mixed up the bowls of each other. So we'll use, this was supposed to be for the coleslaw. See, it's real time, real happenings, real mistakes. Let's just put it right into the bowl. Okay, the container. So everything goes into the fridge. And I'm only doing 3 today. I figured nobody's going to sit through 6. I'll do more for you. Please say so in the comments. I got a lot of these, and these are where my ideas really are fun and fast and simple but delicious, because salads are summer. Salads are carb control. Salads are weight watching. Salads are delicious. It's my first go-to. And today I'm making 3, and I'll be honest and tell you the truth, because I wasn't really watching. I haven't, I said about a week ago that I'm watching carbs, and it's going very, very slow. It's going very, very slow because I'm still eating things that I shouldn't be having right now. I'm never going to give up pasta forever. But what I'm saying is I really got to hit it hard. When I really want to lose, I have to have these in the fridge. Because like I said in the original video, and if you watch it, you'll laugh. I said it. I'm lazy like everybody else. If there's fried chicken in there, I'm eating it. If there's pizza left over, I'm taking it. I go hungry to the fridge and I look for something easy that's sitting there. And if it's high caloric or bad, I'm still grabbing it. I know. But like I said in the original, if you commit, how long does this take them? Not long at all. Now, this is the simplest of all my salads. I had the same thing. This is I love this. I'm telling you, this will take you through 4 salads because the combination is so good. Lemon, it has all the spices in it. And what I do, if you want to enhance it, I don't even need to. He loves this, Vinny. Look, I used almost half the bottle. He loves this. Because I'm doing it to give you a little inspiration, I'm going to put a little bit of onion powder. Okay. And put a little bit of salt, pepper, maybe some dill. I took it out. Dill, because that's in the one with the dill goes good with cucumbers. People use it in a lot of salads. I like the smell of it. I like the taste of it. A little bit of dill. And I think that's all she wrote. Maybe garlic. Did I put pepper? Let me put a little white pepper. And that's it. Now I have 3 healthy salads. All I have to do is grill up my chicken to go with all of these wonderful salads, and then I'm done. I have, this is another thing I love about the Tupperware. I shake them up. Yummy. Okay, guys, I have about 6 more. If you enjoy these salads, snack salads, simple salads, whatever salads, make a comment and say, hey, Jeanine, bring it on. Get some more going because we like watching them because I'll keep making them. All right, guys, let me go refrigerate everything and start my serious calorie watching. See you in the next video. And remember, if you like me and my content, hit the subscribe button.